Navigate to https://2core.mysrc.online. For existing customers, type in your standard username and password. For new customers, contact 2Core for more information. Click Submit to login. You have now successfully logged on and should see a full device list of your controllers. You have the choice of working with the new Cycle Manager Plus platform or with the legacy Java-based Cycle Manager platform. The new Cycle Manager Plus platform gives you access to run and edit programs and stations, view alarms and more. Cycle Manager Plus will be the focus of these videos. Click on the icon for the controller you want to access. The server will now establish a connection to the controller. Now you are connected and can start working with Cycle Manager Plus. Additional information on the Cycle Manager Plus platform can be found in subsequent videos. To return to the device list, select the device list button at the bottom of the screen. You now see your full list of controllers again. To use Cycle Manager Plus on a different controller, select the left icon. The server now connects to the selected controller. To log off the system completely, select the Logout button.